Welcome guys to my channel RJK-Robotics. Today we will make high voltage transformer. To make you need two resistor, one high voltage transformer that I took from a TV. You will find at electronics shop or a TV shop, and one transistor. First pin is base, second pin is collector, and third pin is emitter. And this is a S2000 AF transistor. So let's assemble all the parts. First we will check the primary coil, which is the pin that connect primary coil. I set the multimeter into continuity mode. First I am checking first two pins, pin number 1 and pin number 2. It's not beeping. Now I will check pin number 3. You can hear the sound of beep. So I am using pin number 1 and 3 to make the high voltage transformer. Now first we will connect pin number 1 to the resistor. If you don't have a soldering iron, use breadboard. Now this resistor will connect to 2020 ohm resistor. And pin number 2 collector will connect directly to the pin number 3 of the transformer. Now pin number 3 will connect to resistor. For secondary coil, you need a copper wire. I am using a copper wire. You have to bind this copper wire here. I bind the secondary coil, and you have to also bind like this. Now we will so this. No, this one. I will connect between two resistors. And this will be connected. I connected this wire and this wire for power. Now let's test it. For testing, I am using 12 volt DC. I will connect one wire here. Let me put this wire. It's creating now. Here. Let me off the you can see now it's visible. You can see how are this making. You can put here also to see the arc and the red one.